Nobody.
We all get caught in our own sins.
Nobody.
Sometimes I have to remind myself that on my worst day, I live like somebody on their greatest. Don't let your demons take you to hell. Introduce them to heaven.
Some niggas go to college. Some niggas go to jail.
You see it?
Make it into heaven. Ooh, some make it into hell.
I know I do.
Nobody wanna lose. Nobody wanna fail. Nobody wanna die.
DC3.
Nobody wanna care. The things we do just to make it through. Ooh, but nobody wanna lose. Nobody wanna fail. Nobody wanna die. We're just trying to live our lives.
Nobody wanna lose and nobody wanna fail. That's why we stuck up in this game for the fucking dollar bill. Nobody wanna die, nobody wanna kill. The death is a promise, so you best to keep it real. Losing in the mind and they say I've been estranged. Trapped in this game, that shit is never on a change. Make a sacrifice for the game with the pain and gain. Swerving on this lane, but my love is unchanged. Appreciation, leave the slack and take the blessing. Cause I'm all about the making in the system, cause we slaving. Always learning, so I'm hoping take the losing as a lesson. Back on my focus and I'm better from the face. Fuck to educate, I'd rather be self-made. Stuffed up in the game, feeling like a fucking slave. 9 to 5, day to day, when will be the day I grade this life that I didn't choose, I hate but I still gotta play. Can you feel me? That the world's crazy. 2015, make my paper clean while I'm holding on my dreams. A lot of shit that I've seen, from these bitches and niggas to the riches and dollars. The poorest turn to the baller, and this life is a player. So I turn it to my prayer. Label me the paper chaser, cause the stop is pause and never. Only all these grinding harder, scared to be the fucking loser. So I'd rather be the doer.
Go to college. Some niggas go to jail.
You see it?
Make it into heaven. Ooh, some make it into hell.
I know I do.
Nobody wanna lose. Nobody wanna fail. Nobody wanna die.
DC3.
Nobody wanna care. The things we do just to make it through. Ooh, but nobody wanna lose. Nobody wanna fail. Nobody wanna die. We're just trying to live our lives.
Heaven or hell is what I'm heading to. And if I don't make it, I'm out here ready to lose. I'm ready buried in, I got no choices to choose. I got a lot of dues to pay, still I keep finding the truth. I rap for my city, I never gon' die. Controlled by the money, we gon' get it, no lie. Keep the instrumental going, this the point, I'm no returning back. Living life in a flash, I've been so long gone, walking on this path. They say they couldn't do it, this rap thing was useless. But they clueless, they don't know this time for music, they help me through it. I grew up in a movement that I never knew, and now I know I'm about to explode and kill all the nuisance. Dodging bullets up the feds, try to get me as a girl, and I'ma prove it if I'm dead, that my kids still gon' do it. We can fake it that we blessed, but this road is the ruin. Wonder what's coming next, that's why we stay ruthless. I'm down to blow with the law, suckers throw me a shot. I got my homes, so we mobbing our way to the top. I give my all like a god, I'ma die on a cross for what you thought. Niggas plotting wait for me to get shot. I do it for the futures and the youngest coming up. Revelation mind and the lie as we growing up. We ain't do it for nothing, we did it for love. Respect for loyalty over fame, it's just the road they gave us.
Some niggas go to college. Some niggas go to jail.
You see it?